So Dean, on your booth at EMO,
Yes.
the theme is smart manufacturing. May I ask, what does it mean to you, and more importantly, the users of your products?
Joe, and welcome to Autodesk. It's good to see you. Certainly smart manufacturing means a lot of things to different people, but to Autodesk, smart manufacturing is looking at really the convergence of design and manufacturing. So many customers we've seen traditionally have been designing something and then making something later on and not really looking at how they design. At smart manufacturing, we're looking at how we integrate those processes and looking at new processes. So it's not just CAM or CAD, so we're looking at additive technologies, hybrid, and different ways of making something. And make is our theme here today, combined with smart manufacturing.
So smart manufacturing, what does it mean for your customers?
Okay, Joe, so I think the key, there are three main pillars that our customers will build on. One is around standardization, simplification, and automation. And those three pillars really are looking at helping customers improve their processes, reducing waste, and making them more competitive. In principle, being able to do more, do it much better with less. So less waste, more productivity, and reducing their costs. And that's a really key, important factor with our manufacturing solutions.
Speaking of making things, I have to ask, what on earth is that?
Right, it looks great, doesn't it?
Does.
So you might well ask what this is. This is actually the result of a project that we've been working on with NASA, and in particular with JPL, and looking really at the future of how we take things to other planets. The challenge here is about reducing mass and being able to increase the payload so that we can actually go and explore space. So this is a lander, and it's looking at particular different technologies. So we looked at additive process for light weighting and maintaining strength. We're looking at sand casting as a way of a new technology. Well, sand casting is not new, but looking at how we use generative design to create that, and also generative design for the legs. And these were actually designed and then manufactured in traditional 5-axis machining programs. So the result is 35% lighter, which means they can take a greater payload, and actually a fantastic way of illustrating something different in this show here this week. So I think you'll agree with me, it looks fantastic.
It does. Another highlight for me, the VW wheel. That's another exciting project from Autodesk.
Yes, I mean, as Autodesk, we're involved heavily with the automotive industry. You probably know pretty much every car on the road has been designed using our software. And this is something in particular around lightweighting. We worked on that project with Volkswagen. So it was looking at generative design, and the wheels look really funky, I'm sure you'll agree there, but also looking at additive process. So again, the idea of lightweighting, but looking really cool at the same time. Although I'm not sure about the orange, but you'll see that later.
I'm sure lots of our viewers want to learn more, so if they want to get in touch, where do they find you?
Okay, well, Autodesk, we're a global company. We've got partners and resellers all over the world. The simple thing is to Google or go to autodesk.com/make, and the make being the theme if you want to learn more about our manufacturing solutions.